Alright, I'm recording.
Yeah, that was on like a quarter beer.
Oh fuck,
shit.
son.
Ah. Piece of metal.
George was like, oh man. Look, you got the wrong side of my balls, man.
Now I need a towel. Please.
Hey, I was double fisted earlier and all of this caught it.
Whew. A lot of air in that one.
A lot of fizz.
That's why you gotta get the new cans like Coors and shit makes. They got an air tab on it. That's
That's what I'm
fucking
talking about,
great
dude.
too, man. It's like, wow, you can chug a whole goddamn beer and you're good to go.
We got a just a little bit.
Are you recording right now?
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Did you record me, Chuck?
Yes.
That's on MySpace.
Yeah. Michelob Ultra keeps your stomach slim. You can drink as much as you got him on to get fucked up, but you
Thank you.
no beer gut.
It'd be so funny, be like, I don't feel so. Drink another one.
I don't feel so good.
Hold my dick. Ah, puke.
Oh,
Chair back.
Yeah. Somebody get him a spoon.
Oh damn! Yeah, he's not good.
You like that shit? You fucking. How you doing?
How you doing? Matt's gotta see that. Matt's gotta see that. Oh man.
That was so good.
Matt's gonna lose it.
Oh shit.
Oh
Man, you had to get that, didn't you?
My balls look
Oh man, we gotta watch this shit.
Yeah. No.
Oh no, it's like open my eyes and all I see was Chase teabag.
Matt is gonna trip fucking balls though.
We're all gonna die! Especially me, because Chase is teabagging me.
Well, at least I don't have my balls out. It's just like pants and underwear.
And Matt, I know I only met you a couple times, but I hope you enjoyed that.
You better, motherfucker.
You're
better
gonna enjoy
that.
this shit on my behalf, because I'm really wasted. And you just watched me chug 2 beers in a row. What's up?
Oh, nigga. How you doing? Yes, I'm talking about. Where you from? Sorry, was it a girl?
All I know is I felt something's humping me, and I'm sitting there, I open my eyes, and Chase is like, oh the hell no, he did not just teabag me. I was like, oh my god, Chase has teabagged me.
What the fuck?
At least he had his pants on.
Hey man, I was thinking about you. You know.
At least you
I
care.
could have been like, hold on, George. Pull my balls out.
You'd have got punched in the nuts too.
And
I was real close, but I was like, you know, kind of drunk, and like, you know, this is fun, man.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing serious.
I bet your girlfriend's in there. I bet your girlfriend's in there getting ate out by Charity.
Well, you know, whatever.
Find out. Yeah. Go, Austin, go.
Not before me, you ain't. Wait, goddamn turn. God damn. Damn it, what y'all doing? Shit. Oh, fuck.
That fucked up. Y'all are supposed to be in here having orgasms.
I was like, how you doing?
What happened?
I don't know. I just clicked on it and opened it.
Hey,
and that's
baby.
what shows up.
Good tools.
And oh my god, I think I'm about to run.
Internet
I'm running
options?
too much.
Uh-oh.
Nah, not really.
Put back to y'all here.
Yeah, I ain't had that much alcohol.
No threat.
I really don't like the camera.
It's cool. Look, just look at me. You don't have to look at the camera. Whoa, what are you doing?
10 seconds later.
I felt something touch my ass.
That was a win.
Oh, baby.
Beard saver.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me get my balls up here.
Yeah, you might want to pick
Oh, that's almost the back.
Hey, it is torture, buddy.
It's called Kiki.
I don't know what the fuck you did to this shit, but these little boxes keep popping up.
Alright, let me do